Hey, it's Kat here. Today is part 3 of my 5-day Build Your Email List series. Today I'm going to be talking about landing pages. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what a landing page is, why you should use a landing page in order to build an email list, and a step-by-step tutorial of how to build a landing page and start bringing in those quality subscribers. Today I'm going to be talking about landing pages. And if you found value at any point in this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can continue to get free, valuable content. What is a landing page? A landing page is a one-page website that a potential customer or potential subscriber lands on first. This is the first thing that they're going to see. Usually there's some type of offer, such as you giving them a free ebook or them purchasing a book or a course. There's some type of offer there. And this is a way that you can be able to give your customer something and them give you something back in return, whether it be money or whether it be their email address. For this purpose of this video, our landing page is going to be used to gain email addresses. Why should you use a landing page in order to create an email list? Now in the digital marketing space, landing pages have become a common practice for being able to get email subscribers. This is a quick and fast way you can quickly build a landing page and be able to set it up and have it going in less than about 30 minutes. So this is a very effective way to be able to grab email subscribers so you can start building your email list. Now I'm going to show you exactly a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create your landing page to get high quality email subscribers. So here we are on my computer, and before we create our landing page today, I just want to go over 3 key tips that you should have in your landing page. Number 1 is going to be a headline. This needs to be catchy. It needs to be able to pull the reader in and make them want to read more. All right. So also you want to have a subheadline. This is something that just further expands on the headline. We'll go through this as we do the landing page. The second thing you want to have is an ebook cover. This is to show them what they're going to be receiving on your landing page, what you're giving them on the landing page. And then also you need an opt-in box. This is where the form that they fill out to be able to give you their email address so that you can give them whatever you are telling them you're going to give them on your landing page. So these are the 3 things that you want to have: your headline, your ebook cover or your product cover, whatever you're giving them, and then also a opt-in box. So I'm just going to click on over to my GetResponse account. So this is the inside of my GetResponse account, so we're just going to go straight to it. You're going to go head over to the menu button, and then under the menu you're going to see landing pages. Under growth tools, you want to go ahead and select landing pages. So under your landing pages, the next step you want to do is create a landing page. So once you get to the landing page in the GetResponse platform, there are plenty of landing pages that you can choose from. You want to try to choose one that is saying like download now or something of the sorts. So I'm going to go over to the left-hand corner and just pick downloads, because this is going to be more for like lead magnets and something you're going to be giving away that they can download. So you're just going to click one, and I'm just going to select this one right here because it looks like it'll be a good one. So I'm going to select it. And what you want to do here is you want to type in a name for your landing page. So this one in particular, I'm going to be doing the health and fitness, nutrition, diet niche. So I'm just going to put, healthy eating 101. So healthy eating, and then just going to hit the next step. So after you name it, it's going to pull up the actual landing page. Now this is something that we're going to change. We're going to make it our own. So once it finished loading, the first thing you want to do is check the layout of the landing page. The number 1 thing that you want to do with the landing page is make sure everything loads on the same screen. And what I mean by that is, if you come over to the right-hand corner, this is the first thing you want to do. You want to hit preview. What that is going to do is it's going to show you how it's going to look on an actual web page when someone clicks on your landing page. Now, what I mean is, this is all you're going to be able to see on the first page of the web page. you want to make sure that someone can see your opt-in page when they first look at on the first look of your landing page. So we need to make sure, see the landing page is down here, so I have to scroll in order to get to it. You want to make sure that this is up here so that they can see it all in one swoop. So go ahead and exit out of this, and we're going to work on doing that. So the first thing we want to do is our headline. Generally what I'll do is, if this is going to be a free gift, we can delete this because this looks like branding. You want to just go over to the 3 lines to the side, add a text here. And what I'm just going to do is going to say free ebook below. And this is really this is our first headline. This is going to grab the attention of the reader because they're like, oh, this is something free that I'm going to be getting. So I'm just going to bold it, and I'm going to just bring it up in size so that people can actually see it. Once you bring it up in size, just click on it to rearrange it, make sure it fits. So now it fits, all right? The second thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your main headline in here. What do you want? What's something that's catchy that's going to grab the reader's attention? I've already chosen one, so I put it here. So I'm going to be, my ebook is going to be about improving your health using eating habits. So I said, looking to improve your health in 30 minutes. This is very exciting. This is something that someone will want to do. Now, another tip that you can do if you can't think of one on your own, when you use your lead magnet or your video, use that to help you be able to create a headline. And a way you can do that is in part 2, I talked about how you can use PLR. So if you use PLR, you can simply just go into the file of the PLR, and under there it should have like something called a promo banner, promo tab. Click on that and just look through it. And here, on one of the promos, one of their main headlines is here. It says, looking to improve your health. So I'm just making it my own, looking to improve your health in 30 minutes, which means the ebook is 30 minutes. So you can learn something in 30 minutes. So this is where I'm getting at. And just so you see how I came up with this headline. So I'm just going to copy this headline and go back to my landing page. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. So you just want to make it look nice. The 30 minutes down at the bottom doesn't look right. So I'm just going to spread it out and make sure it's centered. So looking to improve your health in 30 minutes. Someone's like, oh, well, how can I improve my health in 30 minutes? Very interesting. So the next step is your subheadline. You want to create a subheadline here. And I have created a subheadline already. So I'm just going to click back over here. My subheadline is going to be Discover How You Can Use the Paleo Diet. This is supposed to be diet. To get healthy in 2021, because this is what my ebook is about. So this should be whatever your free gift is going to be about, your lead magnet. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it here. Once I paste it, I just want to center it so that it all looks nice. So right now this is very low. So what I'm just going to do is click on this box and move the whole thing up. That way it looks nice and even. I'm going to also move this up a little bit. There is still some room in this box, so you can play with it a little bit, make it bigger, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on it here and make this a little bigger. All right, and then this is the optional factor here, writing like a little bullet point. In part 2 of this email series, I talked to you about really discovering the main point of your ebook or your free gift. So this is where you would put the main point. What do they hope to learn? What do they hope to gain? So I'm just going to delete part of this. I can still use some of it. Half of it's already done. So I'm going to say download this exclusive ebook and learn how to improve your health in 30 minutes using the paleo diet. And I'm just going to include free right here just so they can know it's free. And I'm just going to bring it down to center it a little bit. The next step, since we have all our headlines, everything looks good, we want to go ahead and focus on our ebook cover or your lead magnet cover if you did a video or if you did audio version. Make sure you have some sort of picture. You can just go to a free stock and get a picture or something if you don't have a cover. So I'm just going to, if you did the PLR, you should already have a book cover. I showed you how to do that yesterday. So to put it in your actual landing page, just click on it. At the bottom, it's going to say replace. And I have already uploaded this file, so it's right here. Just going to add in my ebook cover. So once I do, I can hit this little square here, and it's going to allow me to adjust it, adjust the parameters of the ebook. So you'll do that first. And you can play with this, make it your own. After you adjust it, put it back in your box and adjust the size how you like. Alright, so this is just so people can see what your ebook looks like. Alright, so now that we have our ebook cover, the next step is creating our opt-in box. Generally, the opt-in box can include many different fields. You can include them giving them their name. You can include them giving you their email address. If you're just getting started out, I recommend just getting the email address. It's the easiest way. The more forms or the more that you have people fill out, the less they're going to fill it out, essentially. So I just want to make room so that this opt-in box you're able to see it when you first come to the website. So I'm just going to click on this here, and I'm going to try to adjust this box so it can go up as far as possible. To be able to move the whole screen, you just slide it up. So now that I have that up as far as I can get it, I'm going to just spread this out. Just make it look nice. It's just play with it. See what's good for you. I'm actually going to delete the name box and slide just email up. So this is my opt-in box. This is where they're going to fill out their email address. So once I do that, I'm just going to hit free instant access. And then just put I usually do 2 arrows. So this will help you get some subscribers. And I'm not going to fill out form. I'm just going to say get the free ebook. You can either change the colors and just make it look nice. Alright, so now this is essentially our landing page here. So we have it here, free ebook below, improve your health. This is what they're going to be getting. You also want to, just to mention, do the mobile side, just because a lot of people look at it on their mobile side, and basically on the mobile side you just want to adjust the fonts because this might be a little bit big. You don't have to, but I do recommend it. So just adjust the fonts a little bit, make things bigger and smaller, just so they can be able to see everything all in one picture. Once you adjust the font for your landing page for the mobile version, you can just move on and go to the next step, which is the thank you page. And this is just going to say thank you for downloading your free ebook. All I recommend is just go ahead and changing the picture just so it looks the same. This is the page that they're going to go to after they give you their email address, and it's just going to tell them that the email is going to be arriving shortly. Hit your next step. We already fixed the mobile version, so I'm just going to go on to the next step here. And it's going to ask for a title page. It's a Healthy Eating 101, a description, learn how to eat healthy, and then next you want to make sure that you choose the list that you have created for it. So I'm just going to do the first list 100, which I created. I'm going to take off confirmed opt-in because what this means is they're going to have to do a double opt-in. And if you're just getting started out, you just want to take that off. You also want to make sure that you put them in your day of cycle, which means they're going to get a welcome series. So go ahead and do that. And make sure your thank you page is the default thank you page, so it'll go straight to it after they opt in. And then this is exactly how you create your landing page. You'll hit publish. And after you hit publish, it'll give you your URL to be able to view your landing page. And you can just copy it and just open a new tab and paste it. And take a look at your landing page just to see how it looks. So everything's on one page here, so it looks nice and easy, looks nice and good. All right, and that's how you create your landing page. To get started building your landing page, all you have to do is head on over to your GetResponse account and start creating it. If you do not yet have a GetResponse account, you can use my link below to get a free 30-day trial to get started building your landing page. If you liked any part of this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all the content that I am going to be putting out. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing part 4 of the email list building series, so stay tuned for that. If you missed part 1 or 2, you can go down to the descriptions tab and get those links to start watching those videos. You'll learn how to build an autoresponder and how to use PLR as a lead magnet. Talk to you soon. Cat out.